and the batch. Okay, automatically, the system will come, and this is the user ID, via which I will be performing the login operation of Life Asia. So this credential information also we have created as part of the configuration. So if let's say there are multiple users, then we can just simply create the multiple credentials for that particular system. So I'm just entering the username over here. Password is mentioned already in the credentials. Okay, so once this is done, then we can automate. We have to just upload the Excel sheet. I'll just show the Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet actually is on, it gets downloaded automatically based on the sequence number. All the steps will appear over here. Okay, and the data, only thing which user has to enter is the data. Like for example, here the data which varies is the policy number and the effective date. These are the two things which actually varies. Okay, so this is what and this Excel sheet which you are seeing is nothing but sequence of steps which system will automatically execute. Like for example, we need to enter D, and then we get the main menu, and then from the main menu we have to select, let's say, business date menu, sub menu. So like this. So all the steps one by one has been mentioned in this Excel sheet, along with the data which we need to input manually. Also, when we are inputting, we have to input the, when we are executing the test cases, we need to input the data. So this is the Excel file, and now I will just choose the file. Okay, and first what I'll just submit it. That's all. I want that email also to be sent once the execution is done. So hence I'm just clicking on this checkbox. Okay, and I'll just click on submit. So this execution or this automation is happening in a headless mode. Okay, so like the moment we click on submit button, system will try to log in into the Life Asia application by using the credentials, the user ID which we have selected, and the password it will enter. And then there are some pre-steps before we reach to the login. Before we reach to the main menu, some steps it will perform automatically. Okay, and then it will reach to the desired screen, enter the policy number. Okay, and so this first screenshot which you are seeing is, we are saying that this is the policy which we will be moving. So currently the policy is at 29th March. So we will be moving 2 monthversaries, right? So it will move to April as well as May. So this is the current one. So right now what we have shown is the current status of the policy. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is, I just want to mention that this is the current status of the policy, and now system will perform all the required transactions, like going to the diary, first changing the business date to 29th April, and then going to the diary, and then running the renewal batch, and then going to the batch processing, and then submitting the batch, and then again it will perform the contract inquiry screen, so that we can see that it has executed the batch for 29th April. So here you can see this batch has been executed. Okay, for 29th April. Okay, and once this is done, we will be seeing the contract inquiry screenshot, so that we can know that yes, monthiversary has been done for that particular date. Okay, so this monthiversary also done. So here you can see this 29th April has been done, and then we will be now doing for the next month also, which is 29th May. So like this, we can add any number of monthiversary dates which we want. We can do that. Okay, and here in left side you can see that what all steps it has executed, now what all test case it has executed, that information also appears, and we are verifying that whether the monthiversary has happened or not. Like I can actually see whether 29th April is appearing or not. So system has automatically checked whether this particular data is there or not. Okay, This is the data. Here you can see this 29th April is the data. It is checking whether this date is present on the screen. If it is present, then it will make the test case result as pass. Okay. Now the next month anniversary also is done, which is the 29th May thing. Okay, that is also done. And then once this is done, we will be seeing the contract inquiry page so that we can see whether 29th May monthversary also is done or not. Okay, so this is also done. So you can see 29th May also has been done. So we downloaded. I'll just open that zip file. So this zip file contains all the details about the automation. Okay, so it will take the screenshots, test cases, pass, fail, and all that. Okay, so it tells us that which project it is, which via which user we have executed the test cases, what is the start time, end time. Okay, what is the expected result and actual result. Okay, whether it is pass or fail. So here you can see that I verified the monthly data as 29th April, and actual also it is same, hence the status is pass. Here in the second one I have mentioned 29 June, deliberately, but actually we have done the monthversary for 29th May, so it is not matching. So hence system has failed the test execution status. And I'll select here in the batch and just click on OK. So I get the dashboard kind of a thing, and it tells me how many pass, how many fail. So summarized manner, we can get the information. And all this particular zip file is being uploaded in a Breeze application so that we can refer it for future purpose. Now I'm just searching for the batch execution ID 10274. I'm just entering here 10274. Okay, so this was the batch execution ID which just got executed just now. Okay, so we can just view this, and the zip file we can refer it for future purpose, and the input file which we have used for automation, that file also gets uploaded over here, so that next time when we want to run it again, we can just use this file and just change the data. That's all. So we can download it and view it also. So that is the batch execution logs. And for each step information also, see, it will show you the each step information also. Here, batch test execution report also we can get it. Okay, simply we just have to generate it, and then now it will show you all the test cases, and each test case there were multiple steps. So everything, all the information which we want, we will get it here. So this is how, this is at the test case level data, and this one is the second sheet is the detailed one. So if you see there are a lot of keystrokes, lot of steps which we need to enter. So each step information also it will capture, and we can know how much time it is taking, and all that information will be there here. So that is the test execution